fifth season of the Formula One World Championship, a motor racing championship for Formula One cars which is recognized by the sport's governing body, the Fédération Internationale de l'Automobile, as the highest class of competition for open-wheel racing cars. The season started in Australia on the 16th of March and will conclude in Abu Dhabi on the 23rd of November. 11 teams and 22 drivers will compete in 19 Grands Prix for the World Drivers' and World Constructors' Championships. In 2014, the championship will see the introduction of revised engine formula, in which the 2.4-litre V8 engine configuration previously used between 2006 and 2013 will be replaced with a new formula specifying a 1.6-litre turbocharged V6 engine that incorporates an energy recovery system into its build. The 2014 calendar will feature substantial revisions from the 2013 season. The Russian Grand Prix will be held for the first time in a century at the Sochi International Street Circuit in Sochi, and the Austrian Grand Prix will be revived, with the race to be held at the Red Bull Ring in Spielberg. The Indian Grand Prix will be discontinued for an indeterminate period while a tax dispute with Indian authorities is resolved, whilst the Korean Grand Prix has been removed from the schedule entirely. Sebastian Vettel will start the season as the defending drivers' champion after securing his fourth consecutive title at the 2013 Indian Grand Prix. His team, Red Bull Racing, will start the season as the defending constructors' champions, having also won their fourth consecutive championship in India. Mercedes' Nico Rosberg leads the drivers' championship after one round, ahead of Kevin Magnussen and Jenson Button. McLaren lead the constructors' standings by 8 points from Mercedes after securing second place for Magnussen and third for Button in the first race of the season. Signed teams and drivers. The following teams and drivers are taking part in the 2014 season. Team changes. Cosworth elected not to build an engine to fit the 2014 generation of regulations. This decision prompted Mara, the only team using Cosworth engines during the 2013 season, to seek out a new engine supplier. They later joined Ferrari's customer program, with Ferrari providing the team with both engine and powertrain for 2014 and beyond. Scuderia Toro Rosso secured an agreement with Renault for engines in 2014, ending their 7-year arrangement with Ferrari. Williams parted ways with Renault after 2 seasons, switching to Mercedes power in what the team described as a long-term deal.